Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and there are two very big update which is coming here from Accenture and as well as IBM. So IBM is hiring 2024 and 2025 graduate, so that we will discuss in detail. Associate System Engineer, and Accenture is basically hiring ASE engineer. So one by one we will see. Now friends, please do like the video, which gives us motivation to make more and more videos for you. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel where we are updating each and every small things for all of you, which you could see here on our channel, right? So either it is preparation or any kind of hiring, any videos, right? So everything we are updating on our channel. Anyway, so now let us see here. So Accenture is sending the admit card. Accenture is the first company, I'm telling you, who is sending admit card for online examination. So this year, right, you should definitely nominate this company for President Award, Prime Minister Award, whatever award is possible. Please nominate this company because they're sending admit card for online examination. So you have to show the admit card to the computer, and then computer will allow you to write the examination. Okay. So let's see Accenture recruitment process. Download your admit card now and put it in the back of computer. Okay, fine. So congratulations, you are eligible to participate in our recruitment process. Please find attached your admit card for our hiring process program scheduled from 10th to 31st of January. So these are the dates, but you have to choose your slot. So you will be getting another mail, and the exam is starting from 8th of January itself. Okay, some people have exam on 8th, some people have exam on 10th. So many people are getting, and if you have not yet received, you will be also getting, don't worry about it. And then they have given some laptop desktop must be enabled with webcam and things like that. Here you see, so this is the complete detail. Here also they have mentioned, congratulations, you are eligible to participate in our recruitment process. Please find attached your admit card for the hiring process. Okay, that admit card, what you have to do, and even you have to take your ID card and show it to the computer. Now the computer will be only, so these companies would definitely get some kind of like award. Okay, so 8th of January, Padma Bhushan, see which award you can only nominate. Scheduled from 8th of January till 31st of January 2026. But the exam, you see, he is able to book the slot on 8th of January, 9 a.m., 12:30 p.m., 4 p.m., 7:30 p.m., right? So here you could see that they have given this 8 January till 31st of January, but on a particular date you can book. So laptop desktop must be enabled with webcam and microphone. So this, all those things you can go through it. You can install this safe browser exam. This is very, very important. And do write the mock test also, because the mock test will tell you if your system is compatible for writing the Accenture test or not. Okay, so don't forget that. And how will you prepare for Accenture examination? Who is going to help you? So definitely, see friends, many of you again might think that okay, sir is doing the promotion, then you can ignore it, you can just skip this part, some 2 minutes. But listen for a minute. Okay friends, see, this game based aptitude is very tricky here. Okay, so you have 7x7 matrix, which I'm going to teach tomorrow or day after tomorrow, right? So verbal ability, coding, cloud, and verbal ability is nothing but English communication test. Okay, there also you have the grammar, you have lot of things, email writing, cloud and networking, pseudo code, technical MCQs, programming. Okay, game based aptitude, MS application. So each and everything you will be getting here, right? The recent content also has been added, right? See, so you have now this email writing things and all in the Accenture. So whatever is there, everything has been covered. Friends, see, many of you will come later and you will regret. See, 4 to 10 lakhs rupees you spent in college, right? But they did not teach you all those things. Now only for 700 rupees, don't take risk. These courses will be definitely beneficial. Many of the people cracked written test, they went till interview, and now they're waiting for the result, because we have covered each and everything. Nothing is left out here. Even the cyber security videos also we are putting now. Okay, so everything we have covered, just 709 rupees. Now next is your associate system engineer. IBM is hiring. So IBM is hiring. Location Mysore, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon, Chennai, Noida, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Kochi, Bhubaneswar, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Haryana, so many states. Okay, now I'll come this side so it will be visible to you. Your roles and responsibility. So bachelor degree can apply. programming preferably in Java, C++, Python, Node.js. See, with IBM also one good thing you will see, they will always hire. They will never stop hiring. This particular website, whenever you will come in every few months, they will this hiring will be there. But who gets selected? That is still a question for me. People doesn't come and say, sir, I got selected in IBM from that hiring. Any of you, if you have got selected in IBM, let me know. So pass out year 2024. This company also should be nominated under some award categories, okay? Because already this now this award, G Cinema, the cinema, that awards will come. So there should be a award which this company should get for every whole year. Their hiring will be open, but none of the students will get hired. So for that there should be a award. Year of pass out 2024-2025. BTech Computer Science, all CS branches like CSE, AIML, DS, Cloud Computing, Big Data Analytics, CSB, BS, IoT, Robotics, AI, Cyber Security, Blockchain. But one thing, so through this hiring, at least you will come to know that what kind of coding questions. So this is very good for practice, because see, their hiring will come, exams will happen, you will not get hired, that is a different thing. But when you are writing the examination, when you are attending the interviews and all, so you are practicing for free. So this is basically a platform for free practice and the free interview preparation, all those things they will do. So IBM is also like an online study for you platform only, okay? So engineering background, problem solving, good interpersonal skills, should be flexible to work from anywhere in India. But they will you will be able to apply from anywhere in India. Today you apply from Bangalore, tomorrow from Patna, then from Maharashtra. So you can apply from every month, you apply from one place, okay? So should be flexible to apply from anywhere. So here work, no, instead of work there should be apply, okay? Your life at IBM. So your life outside at IBM. So here you just mention outside at IBM. So about IBM they have given from they're playing with the people from 1911 itself. This is not new actually. So from 1911 only people are becoming victim of this kind of hirings, okay? So I hope you understood both the hirings, okay? Both the hirings are unique in nature. One is sending admit card for online exam, and second one is on the name of hiring, they are giving you the practice sets, okay? So please do like the video and buy the course, okay? That is very, very important, okay? Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.